So, you're looking for a new home for your family. Where do you live at the moment?
We live on the top floor of a block of flats near the station on Queen's Road.
We're hoping to find something with plenty of room for the kids. We have 2 twin boys and a girl.
What's your budget?
It's around £275,000.
A flat is definitely not an option for you, so I'll skip these. Let's see. How about a cottage just outside the town? It has a lovely garden, a garage, and a terrace.
Great, but is there a utility room?
Yes, there is, and the cottage has 3 bedrooms, a sitting room, 2 bathrooms, and 2 toilets.
What do you think, Quincy?
Well, I do love the idea of a garden.
There's also a detached house in the countryside. It has a spacious kitchen with a big table, wooden cupboards, a fridge, and an oven. There's also a dining room for formal meals.
A detached house sounds interesting, but it might be too far from the city centre.
I agree. I think the cottage is more suitable for us.
All right then, let's arrange a viewing of the cottage. How about this afternoon at 2 o'clock?
That works for us. We'll see you then.
Welcome to your potential new home.
What a nice house. It's even better than I imagined.
Oh, I love the garden.
Come on, let me show you around. This is the hall. The staircase leads to the bedrooms upstairs.
Wow, the high ceiling makes the space feel so open.
Is there a place to play games?
Yes, it's downstairs. It is also perfect for storage.
Cool.
This way, please. Let's see the sitting room.
This room is so cozy. I can imagine us sitting here on cold evenings.
The design is very stylish and harmonious. The carpet matches the sofa and armchairs nicely.
Mum, look at the cushions. They are so comfy to lean on and make the sofa look even cosier.
Opposite this room is the kitchen, and next to the kitchen is the dining room.
Can we see the bedrooms?
Of course, please follow me. Up here, we have 3 bedrooms, a utility room, and a bathroom. This is the bathroom. At present, there's a bathtub here, but you can replace it with a shower later if you prefer.
As it is, the bathroom meets our needs. I don't think we'll need to make any changes.
I'm glad you like it. Let's have a look at the bedrooms. After you.
Look, there's a view of the garden.
This room is lovely and there are 2 single beds. Mum! Dad! Can this be our bedroom?
We'll see.
So, what do you think? Is this the right house for you?
We absolutely love it.
Yes, we've decided. We want to buy it.
That's wonderful news. Let's meet at my office tomorrow to sign the paperwork. What time suits you?
How about 10 a.m.?
Perfect. I'll see you then. Congratulations again.
I'm preparing the table for lunch and need a hand. What are you all doing now?
We're tidying up our room.
I'm ironing the curtains.
I'm washing the dishes, but I'll be done in a minute. I can help you, Sharon.
All right, thanks. Oh, I need to call Kate. Hi, Kate. How are you?
I'm well, thanks. How about you?
We finally got a new house and are moving in.
That's fantastic. What kind of house is it?
It's a cottage. We're having a housewarming party tomorrow. We'd love you to come.
I'd love to. Who else is coming and what time should I get there?
Around 6 o'clock. Alan and Barack will be here too.
Great. See you tomorrow.
See you. Home sweet home.
Oh, right. There's no place like home.
Look, they're here.
Welcome. So glad you could come.
Please come in. Make yourselves at home.
Welcome.
This is delicious.
Yes, thank you for the meal.
You're welcome. It's wonderful to share our new home with friends like you.
It already feels like home with everyone together.